Isang mapagpalang araw sa inyong lahat. Welcome back sa ating munting channel, Cool Lolo, Cool Tips and Talks. October 26, 2025, karera sa araw ng linggo. Ngayon po ang ikalawang araw ng pagganap ng ika-24, 24th Club Don Juan de Manila Racing Festival. Nag-upisa po yan araw ng Sabado at ngayong araw ng linggo ang pinaka-tampok. Ngayong araw ng linggo po gaganapin ang 2025 Philracom PCSO Grand Derby at ganon din ang 2025 Philracom PCSO AP Reyes Cup 3-year-old imported local challenge 1. Starting time ng karera ngayong araw ng linggo 1 PM, alauna ng hapon. Bago po natin pagpatuloy ang ating mga karera talks, hayaan nyo po muna akong bumati. Happy Family Day po sa inyong lahat. The family that prays together, stay together. Manatili kayong ligtas, stay safe, kayong lahat po, especially to our followers. And, siyempre, lagi-lagi po, remember to be good because God is good all the time. At ang acknowledgement po natin ay babanggitin po natin muli ang buwan ng Oktubre, Breast Cancer Awareness Month. Ngayong araw ng linggo, meron po tayong 12 races, 12 talaga namang exciting na mga races dahil pawang mga stake races po from race 1 to race 12. Umpisa na po natin ang ating mga cool choices, ang ating mga cool tips na sana po ay matapat. Wishful thinking para po makatulong sa inyong mga diskarte. Sa race 1, Pairs Pick 6 covers races 1 to 6. Isang 1,600 meter distance. Ito ang PAGCOR Golden Girls Stakes Race. Sponsored by Philippine Amusement and Gaming Corporation, PAGCOR. Ang ating pong cool choice dito, aking pong humble assessment, makakatawid ng komportable hanggang finish line. Ang ating pong cool, first and only choice, number 1, Sherbet Fountain. Race 2, first winner take all covers races 2 to 8. 1,800 meter distance. May pentapecta event po to. At ito ang 2025 Philracom PCSO Grand Derby. Noong araw, way back, ika nga, ito ang pinaka tampok, pinaka inaabangan na stake race, Grand Derby. Dahil noong araw, wala pa po yung Presidential Gold Cup, Silver Cup, yung Triple Crowns, at Lakambini at iba pa. So talagang dito nakatuon ng pansin ang mga paghahanda, ang Grand Derby. So balik po tayo sa ating mga cool choices. Race 2, ang ating pong cool first choice, coupled entry 3 Zoom In 3A District 1. Cool second choice, coupled entry 7 High Octane 7A Transform. At cool third choice, number 5 Midnight Bell. Dumako tayo sa race 3. First pick 5 covers races 3 to 7, 1,400 meter distance. Ito ang PCSO Juvenile Colt and Phillies Stakes Race, sponsored by Philippine Charity Sweepstake Office, PCSO. Ang ating pong cool first and only choice, number 1, Hoover Dam. Punta tayo sa race 4. Second pick 6 covers races 4 to 9, 1,600 meter. Ito namang race 4 ang 2025 Furacon PCSO AP Reyes Cup 3-year-old imported local challenge race 1. Ang ating pong cool first choice, the unbeatable. Makikita natin ngayong araw na ito kung undefeated pa rin. Number 4, cool first choice po natin, Morally. Ang ating pong cool second choice, baka ito na. Sabi nga, merong every time there's always first time. Ang ating pong cool second choice, number 6, Resonant. Race 5. Second pick 5 covers races 5 to 9. Meron po itong Super 6, 1,400 meter distance. Ito po ang Congressman Mikey Arroyo, Congressman Tony Calixto, Patrick Uy Stake Race, Special Race, sponsored by Congressman Mikey Arroyo, Congressman Tony Calixto, and Patrick Uy. Ang ating pong cool first choice, number 4, Lance in Gray. Cool second choice, number 5, I Under Oath. Another apprentice jockey, RC Semasio riding. Punta tayo sa race 6, second winner take all, covers races 6 hanggang 12, 1,600 meter. Baka hindi ko nabanggit, yung race 5 may Super 6. Dito po sa race 6, ang ating pong cool first choice, number 5, Ace of Diamonds. Cool second choice, number 6, Andiamo Aperinse. Dumako tayo sa race 7, third pick 6 covers races 7 to 12, 1,600 meter. Ang race na ito ay may pentafecta. Ito ang Okada Manila Cup special race, sponsored by Okada Manila. Ang ating pong cool first choice, number 4, Iridescent. Cool second choice, number 1, Paddington. At cool third choice, coupled entry, 2, Trumpeter, 2A, Easy Does It. Race 6, hindi ko nabanggit, ay Dr. Norberto Kisumbing Jr. Memorial Stake Race, sponsored by Metro Tarp. Punta tayo sa race 8, third pick 5 covers races 8 to 12, 1,800 meter distance. Meron po itong Super 6. Ito po ang Club Don Juan de Manila Derby, sponsored by Philracom. Ang ating pong cool first choice, number 5, Kankalu Queen. Cool second choice, coupled entry, 6, Gray Lark, 6A, Blue Mind Churi. At ang ating pong cool third choice, number 1, Candy and Wine. Race 9, pick 4 naman po ito, covers races 9 to 12, 1,600 meter. Ang race 9 ay may pentapecta event. Ito po ay ang Andox Dukipbab Stakes Race, sponsored by Vice Governor Sandy Javier and Congressman Karen Javier. Sa race 9 po, ang ating pong cool first choice, number 8, Life Gets Better. Sa akin pong humble observation, better ang magiging performance niya dahil rush to enter at sa akin pong tansya ay ayos na ayos ang lineup na ito sa kanya, sa kanyang pagbabalik sa Lamb Life. Kasi matagal na po itong di na nanalo. Ang ating pong cool second choice, number 5, Top Grocer. Race 10. Isang 1,600 meter distance. Ang race 10 po may pentapecta. Ito po ang Equine International Air Freight Stakes Race, sponsored by Equine International Air Freight. Ang ating pong cool first choice, number 1, Perfect Delight. Cool second choice, number 3, Manila Divide. Race 11, 1,600. Ito naman po ang Magic Millions Australia Stakes Race, sponsored by Magic Millions Australia. Ang ating pong cool first choice, number 3, Hole in One. Matapos tumakbo galing sa layoff noon, maganda naman ang ipinakita, muling binakasyon. Ibig sabihin, sa akin po, muling lalong hinanda. Ating pong cool second choice, number 2. Ito po yung tumalo sa kanya last time out. Number 2, Longevity. Last race, race 12. Ang race na ito ay may Super 6, 1,400 meter distance. Itong race 12, ito po ang High Gain Pids, si Pokot Boys Stables, and KDJM Stake Race. Special race po to, sponsored by High Gain Pids, si Pokot Boys Stable, and Club Don Juan de Manila. Ating pong cool first choice sa last race, number 2, Streisand. Cool second choice, number 1, My Boy Lollipop.
God bless to all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. At pakikalagit na rin ang notification bell para maging updated sa lahat ng video. Hinay-hinay lang po sa pagtaya. Sana tumama tayo. Thank you!